Good day everyone, my name is Bemsala Olaniran. I'm here to discuss about the Quality Improvement Plan of Chaparral Regional Hospital. The Quality Improvement Plan of Chaparral Regional Hospital will take into consideration other processes of organizational planning. The Quality Improvement Plan will be rooted in the hospital's strategic plan. It will focus on meeting the patient's needs through the accountability agreement of the hospital with the integration network of the local health. The Quality Improvement Plan will also align the national standards of performance established in the country. The Quality Improvement Plan will focus on priority indicators which have been identified. This will be added to hygiene compliance before measure of patient contact due to the significance of the metric management in both the hospital and community-acquired infection. Goals used to select priorities of the Quality Improvement Plan. The goals that affected the selection of priorities of the Quality Improvement Plan include improving the experience of the patient and its outcomes through eye care quality, focusing on the best specialized care level to support the academic health sciences, working with government and health partners to create an integrated system of health delivery. Attaining excellency in clinical care in association with strategic priorities. Patient engagement, however, is a key emphasis of the hospital. The examples of the hospital will be engaging with patient is through advanced planning care and MyChart. How the Quality Improvement Plan will be implemented. In developing priorities for the Quality Improvement Plan, the local groups and clinicians are involved. They are engaged in the development of action plans that are evidence-based from every indicator. Also, the staff at every level are also involved in the setting of local priorities of the Quality Improvement Plan. The staff can access the Quality Improvement Plan page and they can be able to see their progress in attaining their targets. They can also engage in meaningful discussions on how their efforts can have an impact on the plan. The board members and senior leaders discuss and review the progress in relation to the Quality Improvement Plan at least 4 times a year. How patients, clients, and residents will be engaged in the Quality Improvement Plan. Patients, family, and residents will be engaged in the Quality Improvement Plan to support safe delivery of patient-centered care. For instance, the family and patient will be involved in the planning of delivery and care process improvement by their roles in the program-based family and patient committee. The families and patient will also be involved in the ongoing research, operational decisions making, and research at the hospital. This is to ensure that all the aspects of the Quality Improvement Plan are not just based on clinical care, but also everybody that is being served. The Quality Improvement Plan will include the components of outlining how the hospital will engage families and patients in the work of quality improvement. Application of the Quality Improvement Plan. The Quality Improvement Plan will offer hospitals a meaningful way to articulate its accountability to the community, staff, and patients. The Quality Improvement Plan concentrates on delivering a positive experience for patients and provide them with high quality care. The Quality Improvement Plan will also help the hospitals to provide better and new method of doing things that can enhance the care provided to patients. It will also help increase the satisfaction of patients and even have excellent or better outcomes of the clinic. The Quality Improvement Plan will be used as a tool that will assist in reviewing the current performances of the hospital. With the plan, the hospital will be able to gauge and see the current performances and also see its targeted results for improvement. It will also help in charting the progress of the hospital. In conclusion, the Quality Improvement Plan will be of great benefit to Chaparral Regional Hospital. It is developed in a manner that it engages all stakeholders so that the plan is not just based on clinical care but on the people the hospital serves. There are goals which has been used to set priorities in Quality Improvement Plan we serve. The Quality Improvement Plan will be applied in the hospital in a number of ways. They include articulating accountability, delivering a positive experience to patient, finding new and better method of providing care to patient, and assisting in increasing the satisfaction of patient. Thank you so much. If you have any question, do not hesitate to reach back to me. Thank you and have a good one. Bye.